Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh! Whoa! Oh, that was perfect! Alright, good morning internet, welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Enduro. We're out here day 2 of our Big Bear group ride. Much smaller group today. I think we had like, I don't know, 18 guys or something like that yesterday. We have 9 today. Today we're doing I think the tougher part of the route. Got Gold that they just did, and then some single track, and then run out towards the desert, the Devil's Hole single track, cross Devil's Hole, out towards Cedar Glen, Ball Buster, Dishpan Springs, and then I think Redonda, White Mountain, and John Bull or something like that. Oh, we'll see. Pretty sore, pretty tired. Yesterday was a long day. See how much of this I could actually do. This is that whole area that's filled with water on the T7. All these mini lakes out here. Yeah, I got Brent out here today. He's feeling fresh because he didn't come out yesterday. For some reason this trail reminds me of Kennedy Meadows, but wide. Like the way it flows and moves and the bushes and stuff around it. Oh, it smells like bacon. That's freaking hilarious. The guy with the biggest tank runs out of gas.
I looked at it this morning, I'm like, oh, I have more than half a tank. I don't know where reserve level on reserve is. It's pretty high though. So.
Alright, having all sorts of freaking GoPro issues. Missed this cool section that was like out towards like Lucerne, the backside of Big Bear. A bummer, but oh well. So we just got to the Devil's Hole Trail. I've never run it this direction, so that should be pretty cool. I don't understand what's going on with my GoPro, but It's really starting to bug me. It's like the third ride in a row where I've had serious issues with it. No one likes whoops. No one likes whoops. So I used to carry the Wolfman saddlebag on this bike occasionally, like if I needed to carry something a little more than what I had. And I just switched over. I got the giant loop buck and roll, or not saddlebag, tank bag. That little thing. It's like half the size of the Wolfman one. I really like it. And I got their zip, what is it? Zigzag handlebar pouch. Pretty cool little combo. Tiny little bags. You throw a few little things in there and you just kind of spread it out. Oh man. Hey Robert, you good? Oh, that sucked.
What's up, buddy?
How's it going? Dude, it was a bitch to turn my bike around back there.
It was doing great until my bike just went that way. I got it mostly on the trail. I just can't get the left. I just can't get my front tire back on.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Whoop. A little bit more. I got it there the first time and tried to go and it went down again.
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect. Are there guys right there, Chris? Are there guys right here? Okay, so you just follow that line up tight to the wall and then hook it back around.
Right here,
Yeah, right on the inside of that tree. Really? Oh, come on. Dude, I tried! Damn it! I thought I had it. And more importantly, my boots are dry. Yeah!
That was great. If you got the trophy yesterday, you got a good reason to get rid of that damn thing today. That was...
It felt good.
Wait, do we have to split the trophy?
I think we're splitting the trophy.
I got stuck in the same spot.
Damn, 4 strokes. Killed by momentum, man. Doesn't count. That's in bad shape. All right, I'm gonna head back. Just continue up this road. You'll see the gas station on your left-hand side, like another half mile.
No.
Keep pumping.
There it goes.
There it goes.
Just need it up over the hump there.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Maybe. We'll see how it goes. Smells so much yet. Yeah? No, I'm good. Bike is cooking. I got a little sketchy. I started sliding backwards.